Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I am leaving for Spain. It's in the morning, I'm leaving this afternoon. I did not take my advice. I did not pack very well beforehand, so today I have a lot of packing to do. And I thought I would share with you some of the most important things to remember when you're gonna go on an international flight. So let's get started. So the first thing I need to remember to do and not to do is I have to retire my blow dry brush for this trip because internationally most of these blow dryer brushes and most of the blow dryers don't convert to 240, which is the European voltage. So goodbye to this. And hello to these. So this is a straightener and this is my curling iron brush, and they both work well because they will convert. I just plug my plug into the adapter for the European plug, which is a C adapter, and then these will work fine, and I'll at least be able to do something with my hair. Because, you know, with the weather, it ends up getting frizzy. You may or may not do something with your hair. The other thing I'm doing as I am preparing here in my very disastrous room with all my clothes everywhere is I have this little case that I'm going to bring on the airplane with me. I do have a little fingernail file in there, and I have an eye mask. I have a little eye mask that I could put on the plane so I could try to get some sleep. And I have a little toothbrush and some earplugs in here, little earplugs. Now for me, when I am on the plane, I need to put in my headphones and listen to classical music or some light jazz or meditation music, because that will help me block out the noise and help me sleep. But the other thing that I am going to do this time, I don't like doing it, but I really want to sleep on this plane, is I'm going to bring one NyQuil. And it's a half of a dose, but I think it'll get me sleepy that I can at least sleep. Because if I sleep maybe 3 hours on the plane, I'll be able to function. And speaking of being on the plane for a really long time, I have downloaded season 2 and season 3 of Bridgerton because I haven't finished watching that. I started watching it during COVID, and then when I had COVID, and then I just haven't had time to sit and watch it. I've downloaded movies. I've downloaded quite a few things that I can watch on my phone, but I'm sure that there's, movies to also watch. I downloaded a book if I wanted to read a book. So I just wanted to make sure that I have, stuff to do on the plane because it's going to be a long flight. The other thing that I bring with me when I travel for longer than 2 weeks, and I'm going to be gone for about 2 weeks, is I bring a little thing of dish soap. And this has really served a lot of benefits because I can do a little load of laundry in the sink. If I needed to wash a shirt or wash some undies, then I could do that really easily. And also, like if you want to wash out your water bottle, if you're bringing a water bottle with you, it just has come in so handy. So I always make sure that I bring that. And let's just go over to my messy bed, and I'll show you some of my packing cubes and what I plan on doing quickly with the mess that I have on my bed, because I have a couple more hours to go before I have to be ready. Okay, so here I am trying to get all my stuff situated. So I have my packing cubes. They really work well to keep everything together. So I'll put my bottoms in one packing cube, my tops in another. Another really important thing that I did is I have this little makeup bag where I have all of my vitamins. So I make sure that I take my vitamins because I want to make sure that my immune system's nice and boosted. I do have some airborne that I'm going to bring as well. I have my adapter to make sure I'm able to use all of my plugs and my curling iron and all of those things. I'm also charging a little fuel rod so that I have extra batteries when I'm traveling. So I'm charging that right now just in case I need that. And there's just so many things. I have a backpack that I'm going to put in all of the stuff for carry-on to make sure that I'm comfortable on the flight. And I love this little thing. I know I've talked about it a lot. This little thing hooks onto your tray table, and then you could put your phone in it here, or it goes this way. Anyway, you put your phone in here, and then you could watch looking straight instead of looking down on your phone. So I'm going to make sure I have that on my carry-on. And just one more thing that's really important that I like to remind everybody to do when you're traveling. Everything's electronic, I get it, and I have everything electronically available, but just in case things don't work out and you can't access your phone or the internet's not working, I have downloaded all of my documents because this trip is a trip that I am leading, and I have a group of 5 women, which makes 6 of us, and we're all going to Italy for a few days and Spain for 9 days. And I have all of the train tickets, I have all of our excursions, I have everything here ready for us to go, and so that I don't want one little hitch to happen. So that's an advice I would give to you. And anyway, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Just wanted to share a little bit of what's important when you're traveling internationally, what you need to think about. And one more tip, I always like to have just a teeny bit of cash in the currency that I'm going to, but you don't need very much because every place takes a credit card. And make sure you don't have any foreign transaction fees because that's really important. Very important to remember, okay? Well, you have a really great rest of your day, and ciao for now. And I'll see you when I'm in Spain. I'll make sure I send you lots of information. So take care. Ciao.